In this video we're looking at how you can earn $9 in 15 minutes playing video games on your phone, and this includes mobile apps as well. It's not just video games. So I'm going to show you the website. I'm going to show you how this all works. Now, some of the things what I like about this is it's absolutely free to get started with. It's available in several countries, and also you see this bottom line here where it says, oh, you can't see it, a 15-minute playtest will have a reward of $9. Well, I've taken that information there from the company's website, and we'll go into that and I'll show you exactly, the sort of testing that you'll be doing on these games and basically how you can get paid with this method. Now, if you stay till the end, I'm going to go over absolutely everything for you. I'll show you people who are doing this, I'll show you how to get started with this, and we'll also cover some different reviews of the website that we're going to be looking at today. So by the end of the video, you'll know exactly where you need to go, what you need to do, how to register, and how you can start earning $9 in 15 minutes playing simple video games and apps on your mobile phone. So let's go ahead and jump into this now. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to today's video. So in today's video we're going to look at how you can earn $9 in 15 minutes by playing video games. This is really simple too, like most things I share on this channel. So the website you want to be looking at is this one here, and they're called playtestcloud.com. So what happens on this website here is companies and individuals who have gone ahead and created a mobile game or an app, they need to go ahead and test it before they release it onto the Android store or the Apple store. So what they do is they come over here and they pay Playtest Cloud a small fee to go ahead and basically get feedback from gamers and testers so that they can go away and make edits and amends to their app or game before they release it to the marketplace. So this is the website playtestcloud.com. I'll drop a link to this below for you. Now if you scroll down the page here, you can see these are some of the companies who Playtest have worked with. So these are all really big names in the gaming niche. So all of this here on the front page that you're looking at, this is for the app and the game creators. This isn't what you want to be looking for, but I'm just showing you this so you can see how it works. So they come over here with their app or their game, they go ahead, they create an account, and then Playtest go ahead and share their app or game with all of the testers on here, and then they get given feedback for their new app or game. Now if you scroll down here, you've got, I'm just going to scroll to the bottom and show you this. If you come down to the bottom here, you can go ahead and check them out over on Twitter and also LinkedIn on here. Now in terms of the actual company, Playtest, they're absolutely legitimate. They've been around for a number of years. This here is just over on their Twitter profile, but you can see on here they're actively involved in the gaming community. They're always out and about. You can go over here to their Twitter page if you want and scroll through and see these guys in action and what they're doing, what they're not doing, etc. But 100% legitimate company. Before, when I was doing a bit of research into these, I went onto Google and, as you can see on here, did Playtest Cloud review. Now there's some reviews on here, so like this one here from 2017, I've not looked at this one, I've looked at more up to date ones. So we've got this one here 2018 and this one here from 2019. So I'll quickly show you these articles here. So this one here, all in all, you get paid to test games, what's cool about it, etc, etc. So that is this beginatzero.com. And then the other article I went ahead and found was this one here, this comfyworkathomelife.com. Is Playtest a scam? It is definitely not a scam. How much you can expect to earn, and then their rating down here. So that's two different articles, and again you can go ahead and find these yourself. Just go on Google and search for it. So let me come out of there, and out of there. Let's go back into here. So how do you go ahead and get signed up with this company and start earning some extra money? Well, I'm going to come over to the home page, and once you're on the home page here, along the top you're going to scroll right along to this side here, and you're going to click on Become a Tester, and then what will happen is it will take you through to this page here, this one. So this is basically this sign up page. Now it's a very simple process. Once you've signed up, they will send the games to your email address. Then you have to think out loud whilst you play the game, and then you get paid via PayPal. So as you can see here, someone's playing the game. Now this is where the feedback part of this comes into this. You're playing the game and you're talking out loud, so that at the end of you playing the game, you can go ahead and send that video file over to Playtest. Then they will send it over to the company or the individual and give them their feedback on the game that you've gone ahead and tested. So this is the sign up page. You scroll down here. So what have we got on here? You've got email, name, what games do you like to play, your gaming devices, what country do you live in. So I'm going to click on here. You can see there's lots of different countries on here, and we'll touch on that in a second. Got the usual stuff on here, gender, age, etc, etc. Now this is the point I wanted to show you. So common questions on this. So how do I become a playtester? Well, you just come over to this page here and sign up. How much money will you earn? How much can you expect to earn from this? Generally let me highlight this for you. Generally, a 15-minute playtest server will have a reward of $9. So you can earn $9 in 15 minutes from this. Now, there's a couple of other things here. So, can you take part in this if you're not from the US, the UK and Canada? Yes, you can. So, in terms of this platform here, currently they work mainly with players who are from the US, the UK and Canada. And you can see at the moment there aren't any playtests for testers outside of these areas, but feel free to join and then they will let you know whenever they expand to other countries. So if you're not from one of those countries, you can come over to this website, sign up for free, and then if they do expand into your country, you can go ahead and earn money for doing so. Now, do you want to get paid via PayPal? Yes, at this moment in time it's only PayPal, and they're saying it's because it's the lowest costs. As to whether that's true or not, I don't know, but they're only paid via PayPal. Now, the other thing on here is, which was the one I'd show you, this one here. Can I sign up if I'm not a hardcore gamer? Yes, you do not have to be a hardcore gamer or an expert on here. As long as you can go ahead and download a game or an app and just play the game and give feedback, you can go and sign up here. So you'll test a variety of different games. There's games and there's also apps on here. And look, all of these questions here, they're over on the frequently asked questions page, and you've got testimonials scrolling along the bottom on here for you. But playtestcloud.com, it's absolutely free to go ahead and get signed up with. They've been around for a number of years. I have no issues or concerns going ahead and recommending them to you. So that is today's video. I hope you found it useful. I'll drop all of the links to everything below for you, but thanks for watching and I shall see you tomorrow.